Hey there, welcome back to my channel. My name is Brittany Bundles, and today's video is going to be an unboxing video. I'm going to be unboxing a phone case that was sent to me. I'm really excited to unbox this phone case because it does have different compartments inside of the phone case where I can actually put my AirPods. And I've been, I love to carry my AirPods around with me. So I'm always into something that's going to, I guess, make my life more easier in a sense. And, having a case that can hold my AirPods and also my cards will definitely do that. So if you are interested in seeing this case, be sure to give the video a big thumbs up, please, and let's get right into the video. I do want to say that I have unboxed cases from this company before. So if you do want to browse around on this company's site and also purchase the case that I am going to unbox, click the link down below this video, and there should be a link to my Amazon Business Essentials page. I did put the cell phone case under the Business Essentials because it is a business essential in my opinion. When you do operate a business, you are a lot of times on the go, whether it be going to the post office mailing out orders, whether it be going to different meetings, whether it be getting items or inspiration for your business, whether it be marketing, spreading the word about your business, whatever the case may be, a lot of times you're on the go. And so, having a case that can hold your cards and also, like your AirPods or, just different things in general is in my opinion, a business essential. So I'm going to go ahead and open up the case. Now, it did come in an Amazon Prime package like this. Shipping was really fast. I think it came like in 1 or 2 days. The shipping was good. Typically, when a company reaches out, I have questions. I want to make sure that I'm on the same page and understanding of what the expectations are. I also want to make sure that I can use the product. Some companies will reach out to you and be like, hey, can you review this S20 phone case? And, I'll have to say, I don't have an S20, so I won't be able to review that. So, I just asked a few questions, and the response was very prompt, and it answered my question. Sometimes when you're working with companies, you'll send them a question and you may not receive a response back at all. Or sometimes you'll ask a question and they may not answer the question in the email. So I can definitely let you know that, I didn't send tons and tons of emails. I didn't have lots of questions, but the questions that I did answer or did ask were answered, and it was in a timely, time frame. So I'm appreciative to that. I do want to thank them for sending out the case. The company's name is Toovern. I'm hoping that I'm pronouncing it correctly. Let me go ahead and see how it's spelled. So it's spelled Toovren. So Toovren. And again, the link is down below this video under my Amazon Business Essentials. So let's go ahead and open up the package. So this is what it looks like inside. It actually comes pretty nicely packaged. And here is the company name again. On the back it says made in China, and it does say iPhone 11 Pro Max case wallet. It also says black. I'm okay with black phone cases. I like all phone cases, to be honest. My favorite color is pink though, so I can't say that it's my absolute favorite color, but I do wear a lot of black cases as well because I like black. I like black too. You can see my AirPods are black. My Apple Watch is black, so I like to see what this looks like. I love the case. I love the box that it comes in. Sometimes cases are kind of just thrown in the packaging, and yeah, that's just how it comes. But I like how this packaging is so far. And then it comes nicely wrapped, so it has like a clear package over it. And this is going to be a wallet phone case. I've unboxed other wallet phone cases before, but I'm anxious to see what this looks like because this is going to be a different design. And I can already tell that I'm liking it. So this is what the back looks like. Let's see. So you can go ahead and unfasten that part and fasten it back. Let's see what can fit in here. Is this the place for the AirPods? Let me try. Let's see if I can put my AirPods in that case. Now in the picture, they had the AirPods in the case, but they had it outside. Like the AirPods were actually taken out and put inside of the phone case. So I don't know if it's supposed to go in this portion or if it's the other portion that comes with the phone. Huh. So I guess they will fit in there too. Let me see if both of them will fit. Yeah. So both of the AirPods will fit in here. I'm going to go ahead and move them over to this portion of the case. This part is kind of stretchy. So the AirPods can go there. Go ahead and fasten it back. Yeah, so they can fit like this, which is pretty neat. It does have like a little space right here, but it doesn't look like they're going to fall out. It doesn't feel like they're going to fall out. It's really snug. This, again, is like a stretchy piece of material. So let me go ahead and look at the second part that comes with it. So this part also comes with the case. And I'm going to go ahead and just take the AirPods out for now. I think there's another part or another portion in the case that the AirPods can go into as well. So let me go ahead and look at this. So this is the wallet that comes with the case. So I really like this wallet because unlike the other cases, the other phone wallet cases that I opened on this channel, if you haven't checked out any of my case unboxings or phone unboxings, go ahead and take a look at my business. Go ahead and take a look at my playlist. I have tons of videos in my unboxing and reviews playlist, and you can kind of see some of the other cases that I unboxed. But I did unbox some wallet cases, and the wallet was not detachable, I don't believe. So the fact that this wallet is detachable, I can actually wear it on my case or take it off of my case, is definitely a bonus for me. It looks really, really cute. Inside, it has this. So you actually can wear it as like, kind of like a little pouch, I'm assuming. Yeah, it actually has the strings or the straps where I can connect it to the case. So I can either wear this case as a crossbody. Go ahead and open up the strap so that you can kind of see the full picture. So I can connect this. Does it get connected on the inside of the case or, okay, so it gets connected right here. Where else? Where's the other? I think they both are connected at the bottom. I'm also going to put my phone inside of this in just a moment so that we can see what it looks like with the phone inside. So you can wear this as a crossbody across you if you like. You can also wear this as a wristlet. So you can go ahead and attach the case or attach this to the case at the bottom as well and wear this as a wristlet. So let me show you. I'm going to go ahead and take off the straps. Okay, and I'm going to go ahead and put the wristlet strap on. And then you can wear it as a wristlet. So I'm thinking that I'll probably wear this as a wristlet. I'll probably wear it as both, to be honest. I'll probably wear it as a crossbody as well as a wristlet. But I like the fact that you have options and that you can choose how you want to wear the case. Now inside of the case, it looks like this. So I'm going to go ahead and see if I can put my AirPods inside of this case. So I actually can, I believe. Yeah, looks like it's fitting pretty well. The picture on Amazon had the AirPods, I think they were like this. I think they were like this. So if I wanted to, which I probably would do this instead of having them actually in the phone case. I'll probably have my cards in this part, which I think this part is for the cards, and I'll probably keep my AirPods part just so that I can close it and actually zip it up. I'm going to put this part on the phone case. As you can see at the bottom of the phone case, they have these two little clamps. So all you do is you take these two clamp-like buttons and you snap them on the back. And then this part right here, let me go ahead and show you this part. This part right here goes into this portion. So you kind of just slide it there, and connect the bottom parts. So you have it like that, which is really cute to me. I really like the fact that the wallet comes off of the phone. So I'm going to do is take my case off the phone and go ahead and put it in this case. I have the iPhone 11 Pro Max, but I'm pretty sure that this style of case is available in other phone with other phone types as well. So you'll just have to go ahead and click the link and see if they offer a case for the device that you're using. But this is how the phone looks. I think the phone looks really, really cute in this case. The fact that I don't have to wear it like this is a bonus, because you know, sometimes you want to change up your cases. Sometimes you want your phone to look a little bit different. So if I wanted to change up the case, I could go ahead and just unclamp it and wear the case like this. I can still have my credit cards in this portion, or my ear pods, or really whatever I decided to have in this portion. I can have it here. Again, this part right here is stretchy, and it looks really, really cute as far as the design. So I really like this case, and I hope you all do too. Customer service was well. Packaging was pretty well, and the case is very, very neat. So if you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye!